All right, here it is. We're going to be addressing the P0131 or 135 code, I believe, which is basically an upstream O2 sensor on the Pontiac Vibe GT. All right, so very simple. Again, another reason why I love these cars is because they're so simple. Right here, we have the O2 and the sensor hanging, basically because I took it out from the inside. You open the passenger side door, you take the carpet back, and you see the hole right there. Super simple. You just plug it into this little guy right here. That's it. Nice and simple. So now I'm just going to take out the O2. I have a brand new Bosch unit here. I'm going to include the link at the bottom of the video. This is a brand new, I believe it's an LSU Bosch unit. Throw it in there, and I'm going to clear the codes and take it for a drive. So Indeed confirmed that the code that I pulled was P0135. Went for a drive, still hasn't come on. Don't mind the airbag light. I'm going to get that situated. But for now, the check engine light has not come on anymore. So I'm assuming it's because of the upstream O2. Like the majority of these things, sometimes you have to guess. I guess I got lucky here on the first try. So let's recap. You basically just pull the passenger side carpet down. It's that little hole right there. It clips right here, right behind this plastic piece. And then you have the O2 sensor literally right under there on the pipe. It's a 22 millimeter. Take it off, screw the new one on, run the cable through here. Right there on the cable, and boom, and you're done. Also, another thing that I want to include is my shift knob, the one that came with the car, was horrible. It was falling apart. It was all plastic, no leather, whatever. And this is the one from Amazon, guys. This is 12 bucks, I think. It feels great. It's a lot better in the hands now. It doesn't need anything fancy. It just feels good, you know. And it's super simple. Literally just unscrew the old one, screw this new one back in. 12 bucks, I'll put the link in the description. You can't beat it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That is how to take out and replace your upstream O2. I've included the links on Amazon to the Bosch sensor and the shift knob down in the description. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a message or comment down below. Other than that, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.